Yo, my name is Fruit. I am an MC and a multidisciplinary artist from Target the band named Bukanyog, specialising in graphic design. Today I'm giving you my top tips and tricks about designing an album cover or getting an album cover designed for you. So first off, critical thinking and primary research. Look at some of your favourite albums and their artwork and think about what you like about them, what you really like about the album artwork. Do you think it represents the sound, the story, what particular themes can you pick up from both? I think always get inspiration from the things you like. Especially look about album artwork in the genres that you are exploring in your music. Certain genres have a certain look to them and see how you can fit into that without copying other designs but taking inspiration from it. I'd then go on to analysing your own music. What atmosphere have you created? Does that link to a particular emotion, colour, location, messages, themes? Once you understand your own music, you can understand what sort of look you want to have to it. The album cover is your doorway into your music. It gives the viewer their first impressions before even listening to your music. So you want to give them an idea of that story before even clicking on that first song. Talking about that, first impressions. This is the first thing someone sees before listening to your music. Before they make the decision to listen to your project or not, this is the door to the world you've created. When I was younger, I used to always go to record shops and I'd buy an album because of the album cover, and that still works to this day. As in, if you look on Spotify and you see a suggested project, I'm more likely to listen to it if it has a good album cover. If it has a bad album cover, I'm not listening to it. I'm not. Also, go to local exhibitions and take note of the artists and the styles of work that you like. Always try to expand your ideas and take inspiration from multiple different places. I also recommend looking at Pinterest and Behance, creating mood boards and finding out what sort of direction you want to go in. If you're doing it yourself, keep it simple but interesting. There's a lot you can do on a small budget, and that could be playing with what colours you're using, what sort of lighting, what locations you've taken a photo of, what sort of fonts you're using in there, what sort of pose you're presenting yourself as. There's a lot of artists who do this really well, there's a lot of artists who do this really bad. So keep it simple, but also keep it unique and interesting. Make it sure that person wants to come to your thing. And always check for artist rights if you're using other people's photos. There's a lot of these people you wouldn't have the licensing for. But like I said, I've been Fruitb0y with a 0. I hope you appreciate my talk and I hope some of this helps. Bless. Good luck on your future music things, yeah?